Hello friends, my name is Abhik Bharti. So today I will teach you that how you can use green screen in your YouTube videos by Filmora. So just for example, let me play one. Or this also. Any video or images you want, you can play in green screen. That's why you can say imported the green screen background. So now what to import green screen, like I've shown sometimes before, like that you have to open Filmora, then you have to open any video, and then if in that video you have not used green screen, as you can see I have not used green screen anywhere, as you can see. So if you have not used green screen anywhere, what you can do, you can simply go to media, this one, click sample green screen. Now here you have so many options, like suppose I want this explosion one, like suppose I've imported this here. Now I have to double click on that, like suppose you have to use green screen here, so you have to double click on that, click chroma key and then click OK. Then see what will happen when you will play the video.
Hello friend.
Then as you can see, a smoke effect is coming on. As you can see, a smoke effect is coming on. And suppose if you have any video in that you have used green screen, in that video you have used green screen, like suppose for this following part, only this, not this, for only this part I want different type of green screen. For this part I want different type of green screen. So like that, what you have to do, you have to cut the file, you have to cut the video, and then only what you have to do, you have to do in every double click chroma key, and double click chroma key. So see, this is in Rubik's cube, there is some little bit green type thing. So like suppose there I want something else, so we have to import it. Now this one should be at the top. I have to add like this should be at the top part, like see, as you can see, little bit of there, it is little bit the background, this one. I have not used a proper, it's not proper green, that's why it's not coming. If you use green screen properly like this, then you can do it. So I hope you understood it. If you like the video, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you have any query, you can comment down and you can ask. I would make a video on that. So bye bye.